It's quite easy to change the exposure metering modes on the back of your Canon R50. Now first, you need this in one of the manual modes, either manual, aperture priority, or shutter priority. Okay, from the back of the camera, you can press the Q button and go over and choose it here. Mine's currently set to evaluative metering. Let's select this option. From here, you can choose evaluate, partial, spot metering, or center weighted average. When you've chosen the one you want, hit set. Optionally, you can press menu on the back of your camera, go to shoot 3, and it's just below flash control, and you can select your metering mode from there. Okay, everybody, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Please feel free to join us on Discord, Facebook, and X. And if you can, please consider becoming a Patreon member. Also, if you're interested in what gear I use, those and all the other links can be found down in the description below.